George's racing car.
It is a lovely sunny day at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Peppa, George, Daddy and Grandpa are inside watching racing cars on television. Come on, car number 2. It's neck and neck coming up to the finish.
What a lot of noise!
Boys, less noise, please.
Oh, hello, Father. You old bell trap.
What? Now, see here, Michael.
Oh, not you, Father. You see, he's Peter Pan. John's Captain Hook.
Yes, of course. Have you seen my car?